In this session, we are going to learn about how to create a ServiceNow developer instance. For that, first you need to log in to the ServiceNow. So here I'm just showing you how to create the demo instance. I will be logging to my email ID and password to the ServiceNow portal. It will land me to the dashboard where it has options to me, and I can click on this request instance. So this will give me the options. So basically we have a couple of options, and I would go with Rome version, which is stable as of now, and San Diego is will be coming in the upcoming releases. So it is still available for us, but I would like to go with the Rome, which is stable as of now. I will request for this. So it will ask like it is processing, and it will take a couple of seconds to get it provisioned and ready for us. And here we go. We have received the username, password, and the instance details, and we are logged into the particular ServiceNow instance now. So once this particular instance is created, we can go forward and activate the plugin. So these are the activate plugin options. You can go to the login. You can log into the developer .servicenow.com, and then you have option to activate the plugin. Then if you want to remove the data from this particular demo data from this instance, you can also do password reset and all the upgrade of activities here. So I'm going to activate the plugin. For this particular discovery of the Azure, we required the basically discovery plugin, which is we are going to activate. So activate plugin with demo data. So this will saying that the plugin activation is in progress, and it will notify when it is complete. Usually it takes around 20 minutes to complete this particular plugin activation. Another plugin which is for the cloud management. So we are going to activate this particular plugin. Discovery plugin is optional for the if you wanted to go with all the discovery features, but for the enabling the cloud discovery of Azure and provisioning, we required the cloud management plugin. So this is the most important plugin which we are going to enable here, and it will take around 25 minutes to get it enabled, and it will send a notification for us to that it is completed. So we can see like status. So we will be able to see it is completed and installed. So that way we can validate this. For this integration, Microsoft provides a free account for the free subscription, and we can utilize this for this particular demo, so that we will be able to show you how we can do this integration between the ServiceNow CPG module and the Azure. So here we go. We have to click on this start your free account, and it will land us on the page where it will have option to start this free subscription. We can click on start free, and this is usually applicable for a month. We can utilize this. We need to put some initial information to sign up, and also the email ID and the phone number. Also we need to provide the credit card details, which is just for the identification purpose that user is unique.